Good afternoon, ma'am. My topic for today is all about gender role in Asian, African, and Western societies. Asian girls and women are generally expected to dress in typically feminine ways and be polite, accommodating, and nurturing. Men are generally expected to be strong, aggressive, and bold. African women in Africa are generally responsible for reproductive work such as taking care of the children, while both men and women undertake productive work. Western. The role then men and women are expected to occupy based on their sex, gender, and family. The relationship between the social construct, the gender role, and the structure of the family unit within the context of social science. What is the role of gender and family? The females as housewives and caretaker for the children, and males are breadwinner. Gender and school. Gender and school refers to socially constructed roles and relationship, personality traits, attitudes, behaviors, values, relatives, power, and influence that society ascribes to sexes. What is the gender role of gender and school? It is the pattern of behavior, attitudes, and expectations associated with a particular sex to promote leadership skills to both confidence and empowerment among students. Gender and works. Gendered work refers to the outcome of processes whereby work is defined, organized, divided, and valued in all ways. Gender roles are stereotypes regarding attitude, attributes, and action imposed on men and women based on gender. The key importance of gender and works. In defining the PUI privilege and possibilities that some people have and some people do not have in given societies. And by achieving gender equality help to improve the national productivity and economic growth.